about a chipmunk named Cameron.
Oh, ha ha. And because of that, I'm gonna do it.
You're gonna do what? Sing a duet with Ariana Grande's great-grandmother?
No, I'm gonna do this.
You stupid son of a... Mom, he did it again. Cameron finally sang that duet with Ariana Grande's great-grandmother? What? No, he turned into this Ratchet. This isn't funny. My chipmunk brother's turned into an instrument. It's so nice how they named an instrument after you. What are you talking about? Because I'm Ratchet. Yes! You finally admit it! How do I change him back? Okay, well, first thing you gotta do is put him in the microwave for 1 minute and 17 seconds. And then you gotta sing him a lullaby. And then you gotta throw money at him. Ones? Well, wish me luck. Luck is for the weak. So yeah, in your case, you'll need it. Okay, Cameron, let's do this. Alright, time to sing. Rock-a-bye moron, you are so dumb. After you turn back into a chipmunk, I'm gonna throw a box at your face. Okay, we need some music.
It's a misfit, huh? Yeah. Not coming right now? No, not coming right now? Yeah. Hey, listen, real skinny, loud colored tinnies, body marked up like graffiti. I don't push a Maserati, Beamer, Benz, or Bentley. And yeah, I wrote a...
Chipmunk, you better change back.
I told you I was gonna do it.
Yeah, you did. And I told you I was gonna do this.
Oh.
Zombie apocalypse.
Subscribe.